Welcome everyone, this is Dad and Son DIY It All, and if you're looking to get more heat around the table with your solo stove, especially your Mesa or your Mesa XL, this is the video for you. In this video we're going to unbox, set up, and use our new Mesa heat deflector. Now this is really straightforward. It only comes with a few pieces, and that's the base, the top, and 3 legs. It does come with the bag and some accessories including stickers and what have you. However, this is a fairly straightforward setup as long as you get the legs angled right. Bear in mind you're not going to use the existing ring that comes with your Mesa, so follow along with us as we get this put together. The new ring has these tabs set up so that the legs will clip into them and lock securely. Then on the actual cone, you'll see these 3 pieces that connect directly into the legs. They make a very secure, tight connection. You want to do one at a time. We found that more successful. And they click into place so that they're completely secure, and this creates a really tight connection. Comment below if you have a solo stove, and if you do, which version you have. Also, please disregard the soot all over my hand because the other ring that we took off had a ton of soot underneath because we use this thing all the time. Once we got our fire started up, it was time to put that heat deflector on. And this is something that Mama's been looking forward to for quite some time because this will help radiate the heat out. Now, bear in mind, I probably should have let the fire calm down a little bit. And there is a warning in the instructions and on the unit itself that said keep flames below the cone. Good news for everyone out there, learn from my mistake, but the cone was unscathed. It held up perfectly because this is heavy gauge stainless steel like all solo stove products. We hope you enjoyed and you'll look forward to using your solo stove, but we wanted to take this reminder that Dad and Son Do It All has a ton of content. So hop over to our other channel and check out videos like this vacation resort at Disney. Take care. All our best.